Welcome to a simple guide for non-techies. Today we'll show you how to restore previous file versions in OneDrive easily. First, let's understand what version history is and why it's a lifesaver for your digital files. Version history saves every change made to your file. It's crucial for recovering from accidental edits, unwanted changes, or even data corruption. The first step is to access your OneDrive account through your web browser. Open your preferred web browser and go to the OneDrive website. You will need to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, the next step is finding the exact file you need to restore. Navigate through your folders until you find the specific file whose previous version you want to restore. Now let's open the version history feature for that file. Right-click on the file name. A menu will appear, and you should select Version History from the options. You will now see a list of all available saved versions for your file. Browse through the list. Each entry includes a timestamp, showing when that version was saved. This helps you identify the correct version to restore. You can usually preview the versions to see the content differences before committing to a restore. Once you've found the version you want, restoring it is the next simple step. Click on the specific version you wish to restore. You will see a Restore button next to it. Click it. OneDrive will usually prompt you with a confirmation. Accept the prompt, and the selected previous version will replace your current file. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous file version in OneDrive. Remember the key steps. Access OneDrive through your browser, find your file, open version history, and select Restore for the version you need. This saves you from lost work and stress. For more helpful tips on managing your digital files and tech solutions, subscribe to our channel.